Important topics of science, especially chapter 6 to 9, which is containing biology for standard 10 science. Important topics for the science for board examination, as per my opinion, I am going to share over here. So let us begin. In first part, we have prepared, or I have shared the chapter 1 to 5 important question as per my opinion, and here I am going to share about 6 to 9 chapter. Let us begin with chapter number 6. What is nutrition? You have to write the definition of nutrition, write and explain its type. It has two types: autotrophic nutrition and heterotrophic. So both you have to explain in detail along with the equation. It is equation means what? Nothing like chemical equation, but how does it happens from sun. The energy has been taken by the plant, and how do the plant prepare their own food? That is what autotrophic nutrition, and similar way heterotrophic nutrition. Human digestive system, it's an important question. Or human digestion means digestion in human being. Both the questions are important. This question might have asked in 3 to 4 mark. This is also the question which can ask from 3 to 4 mark. It is very important question. Nutrition in amoeba is also one of the important question for 4 marks. So prepare this also. What is respiration and explain its type? Respiration definition, and it has two type, aerobic and non-aerobic. With chemical equation here you have to write its types. Next question, human respiratory system. Human respiratory system means how do the human respire? That is what the important question is. Explain the structure and function of human heart. This is very important question. Here mostly the digestive system of human being, nutrition in amoeba, type of nutrition, explain the structure and function of human heart. This is very important question, most IMP. So these questions are very important, most important. Here this one is extra ordinary, or we can say a very important question. Human excretory system, the figure can be important over here, and even the explanation of the human excretory system. In all this, like human digestive system, you have to draw the figure. Nutrition amoeba, you have to draw the figure. Structure and function of the human heart with figure, so you have to draw the figure. And human excretory system also you have to draw the figure. In biology, wherever necessary, or even not been asked but necessary, then you have to draw the figure for that particular question. Question is to read, to understand, and then draw the figure and explain about it. At least you will get some mark for the figure also. Chapter number 7. In this chapter, the important questions are reflex action and reflex arc. It is very important question. Structure and function of human brain. It is also most important question. In this also the figure to be drawn. And 1 mark question, hormones, gland and its function. You have to remember which hormone is secreted from which gland and what its function in the body, that is to be remembered. So these are the important questions from chapter number 7. Let us see chapter number 8. In chapter 8, reproduction, there are two types of reproduction. One is asexual reproduction and another one is sexual reproduction. In asexual reproduction, all these are important questions. That is fission, binary fission and multiple fission, both in amoeba, binary fission. Leishmania also binary fission. With the figure you have to explain multiple fission. Then fragmentation, regeneration, vegetative propagation, all this can be asked in 3 to 4 mark question. Most important question from this chapter is this one, very important. Many a time asked in board exam also, sexual reproduction in flowering plant. Then after that, human reproductive system and male reproductive system and female reproductive system with figure is 3 to 4 mark important question. Then most important question, next one, contraceptive methods, chemical method, then physical barriers and all that. So it is also very important question. Only very important question I have discussed over here. You have to read others also. Chapter 9, Mendel's experiment is important question. Sex determination in human being, very important. XX and XY, how do they cross and how do the male born and female born, that you have to explain here. And the most important question from these two chapters are this most important questions, that is homologous organ and analogous organ. Rather than that, one another important question is inherited traits and acquired trait, even the difference can be asked. So here I have discussed very important question from chapter number 6 to 9. If you have not yet prepared this question, then prepare this first and then read the other things. because these are the very important question as per my opinion. Share with your friends also so they can also understand. See the other chapter video also, and at least prepare those questions at least once, so it would be helpful for you. In next video we'll see about the bio section. Sorry, bio has been done. Physics section, chapter number 10 to 16. Thank you so much.